Please, so we are meeting first time, so I would like to know about yourself.
Okay. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Manita. I'm from the city of Delhi and I'm full-time homemaker, blessed with 2 kids. And as far as my study is concerned, I have done B.Ed and I am also master. In the addition to this, I am also working on my communication skills so that I can be proficient in this language. I just want to gift of gap. So yeah, it's all about me. Thank you.
Someone calling me through this application on another person, so I disconnect this call.
Okay, you are getting call.
No, yes, I am getting call from this application. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, I think you put message here earlier, so that's why people are calling to you.
Oh, yeah, you are right. Absolutely right. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it happens we are blamed with over blamed with the calls, and there another hand there is a certain time of the period we are not getting anyone or practice for practice.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Correct.
that's great. So tell me about your journey. When did you start off, or what kind of hindrance are you facing currently?
So, I audible or visible?
Yes, both. You are audible and visible to me.
Okay,
You can
okay.
continue.
Yes. So, I told you I am improving my communication skills. Nowadays, I am beginner
Hmm.
and I am using this application in order to learn English. So, I have been learning this language since January 2024. So, I think it's been 6 months already completed. So, this is
Okay.
my journey.
Okay, you started your journey 6 months ago.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so which language do you use while you are living in Kuwait?
Yeah, my native language is Hindi. So, I am using Hindi all the time.
Okay, but about the regional language of Kuwait?
Yeah, the regional language is Kuwait Arabic.
Arabic. Okay, they use Arabic. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. Okay, so now where have you proceeded? What do you think about you? Like, are you able to convey your message, or are you able to express your thoughts or emotion before other people, or you had some problems?
No, I don't have any kind of problem.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so there are a lot of people, right? A lot of learner, they always, keep on saying that, okay, grammar is not important in order to get this language. So I just want to know about your notion. What do you think? What is your realization for the grammar?
Yes, I think grammar is very important to learn English. While I speak English, that time if I will not use uh, grammar, rule and regulation, so the sentence will not looking good. And so I think grammar is very essential, very important for everyone.
Okay, great. So right now you are living in Quebec, right? So what difference did you see in India or in Quebec? Means both are similar for you, or you have some problems, or you feel like Quebec is little bit different from India?
No, I think India is a different country, and Kuwait is very small country. So I think there are a lot of differences between these two countries, and uh, this in Kuwait, no, there is no any discrimination, and
Okay, all people
and
are equal.
yeah, all people are equal, and they
Mhm,
are living very happily in this country, and
mhm.
you are any related any kind of religion, so there is no problem to survive your life. So, and I think this is a Muslim country,
Mhm.
So majority of the people, you would say, uh, there is no majority of the people Muslim.
Mhm.
I think 8 lakh something Indian people, they are working in this country. So majority of the
Mhm.
people, they are uh, different religion except
Okay.
Islam.
Okay. That's good. So how long have you been working in Kuwait?
I have been working in Kuwait since 2015.
Okay, it's been long time now. It's been around, I think, 10 or years, like that.
Yes, I think I resigned my company in 2019 and I
Okay.
returned back to India
Mhm.
and I came once again in 2023. So
Okay.
3 years, 3.5 years I lived in India because I started my own business, but I did not get success in my business due to COVID pandemic. So
Hmm.
once again I came here for earn money.
Okay, okay, that's great. So I have a next question to you. Like most of the people, they prefer to go outside from the India, in the purpose of earning money or for, thriving their life, thriving in their life, right? So what do you think while living in India, we don't have that much opportunities or we don't have that much, like certain areas where we can do work and we can also thrive in our life. What do you think? Like most of the people, they always prefer to go outside. Like some of them are going for Australia, England. They always prefer outside countries. But when it comes to India, they feel like, okay, India is not any less, but there are less opportunities. That is the reason they are going outside, or they don't have that much skill, technical skills or soft skill. That's why they are lagging somewhere and heading towards the other countries. So, what is your notion? What made you to go Kuwait?
So India is the biggest country. The
Mhm.
population is very high in India.
Mhm.
So government sector cannot give job each one,
Mhm.
as well as private sector also cannot give job each one. So this is the compulsion to survive their life in India because everything are very expensive in India.
Mhm.
And so most of the people like go to abroad, go
Mhm.
to Gulf country to order to earn money.
Mhm.
So that's why same problem uh, I was facing when I was living in India. I tried so many times. I don't like go to abroad, go to a Gulf country, but it
Mhm.
was a compulsion. So that's why I am here. And but I think about myself. I will stay here 5 years more because after 5 years I will do some business in India.
Mhm.
So I
Okay.
think a main reason behind it, the currency. It
Okay.
means if you will come as a supervisor, as a foreman, as a staff in this country, in other country, you mean abroad, Gulf country, Europe country, so you will get earn more money compared
Mhm.
than India. That's
Okay.
why most of the people like this outside working.
Okay. I forgot to ask you. Now I am visible to you.
Yeah, you are visible and audible both.
Okay. 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 Yes. Well said. Well said. Yes. They will have some problem. That's why they are heading towards other country because India has become a melting pot nowadays. Many people are coming here from different countries and they are just taking shelters or they are just going through a kind of jobs. But for there are some areas where we need to work, right? Because we have to survive in our life. So yes, we have to earn money. This it is a dime a dozen thing that we have to earn money for our family, and many things are there. This you are full with your responsibilities. So anyhow, we have to make the most of many things, and if we want to make the two ends meet, so we have to go outside and earn something for our family so that they can thrive easily, right? So
Yes.
yes, well said, well said. Okay, so now uh, I ended up with my question. So you have any question, then you can ask me.
Yes, I have question.
Okay.
I am struggling with this language. I want to speak like native speaker. I want to get fluent into English. So please
Mhm.
give me good bunch of advice. How can I improve my communication skills?
Okay, but you are second to none. You are speaking cordially. I didn't find anything that you are lagging somewhere. But yes, there are some area where we need to work, right? If we are not getting our fluency, it means like we are lagging somewhere. We are not, our thought process is not working up to the mark. It means we have to, like make our mind, make your mind that, okay, there are many things and this thing now I'm going to speak on that particular thing. Make your mind, just rack your mind at least 2 or 3 minutes and take time that, okay, now this is the situation and I have to interpret this situation like in a very good way. Like try to use your own words, right? If you are listening something, but whatever it is, any podcast, or you are reading also any book, if you are reading one paragraph, so after reading that paragraph, you have to speak all those things in your own word, right? We can't go, we can't go very long and we can't go according to the paragraph, because there would be a lot of things which were which would be difficult for you, right? So try to interpret, try to speak all those things in your own words, and try to read the books loudly, okay, which will help you a lot, which will help you to get your fluency. Because while you are reading any kind of book, two kind of practicing you are doing, right? Because you are listening and you are also speaking. Your vocal part is also into the practice and your ears are also into the practice. So whatever you are just reading, your ears are already hearing all the things, right? So try to first thing is that you don't have to take any pause while you are reading. Read it loudly, don't take any pause. If you have repetition problem, because sometime it happen, we are speaking we are reading very fast, right? So that time we are supposed to take the repetition or pause. Okay, it is okay, you are taking pause, but you don't have to no get into the repetition problem, right? What happen is that when we repeat one thing over and over, so automatically it becomes our habit, which is not good, right? So try to read the books at least first, speak slowly, then try to increase your speak, and third step is also there, you have to increase your speed, right? You can watch your, you can watch your sorry, a phone, mobile phone, or if you have wristwatch, then you can also use that. First you have to, okay, I have just spoken only 1 minute and I have just read only one paragraph. So next time you try to read that particular paragraph, and you have to make your mind that I have to finish in 50 seconds for fluency.
Yes.
I'm talking about your fluency, right? So this is how you have to do only at least only for 1 month, and after that you can see the tremendous change in your fluency. You will get your fluency. I'm pretty certain about it.
Ma'am, you are absolutely right. I agree with you. Thank you for giving good advice. So the main problem is I have ability. I can speak English alone. I can speak English very good when you talk with me as a audio call. But when I talk video call, that time I face a lot of problem. I get stuck. I making mistakes too much while speaking. So like this problem I am facing right now.
Okay, so no problem. Actually, it happens. It happens with a lot of caller. Actually, it was the problem of mine as well when I was beginner. I was not able to face video call. I am pretty okay with now. I am pretty okay with audio call. Earlier, I was okay, very much okay with audio call, but when it came to video call, I had a lot of problems. Right? I also got stuck, or somewhere I used to feel like, okay, I'm not interpret myself in front of other, right? But the moment when I started my practice on video calling, so now I am a little bit better than before, but still I have some problems. I'm trying to work on that.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So yes, it can be removed by practicing. Practice daily, face the people daily, and just try to speak in your own